In the video that I did earlier, I showed you guys how to make this lantern out of just absolutely recycled things. Recycled jar lids, a jar, jute that I had from a different project. So what I do is I put it on this Dollar Tree candle stand, and I want to show you how you can then take it off this, which is just made from the candle stand, and a plate. And then you could put it like this and put something around it. So I'm going to pause this and I'll show you something else. So then what you could do is put a floral wreath. Now you could use real flowers, but of course these are just from the Dollar Tree. So you could put a floral wreath around it for a wedding centerpiece. And then if you wanted to stuff some actual tea lights in, if it's, a flameless tea light, to light it up even more. So right there you have a centerpiece that's easy and inexpensive to make with flowers. So before it was without flowers. Now let me show you how I'm going to do it so that it has more of a fall look. So here I'm putting it with these jars to give it more of a fall look, so that it's not just for summertime, it has fall. And I'm just going to arrange it again to give you one more idea. So this is more of a fall look. So when it's really winter, I'm going to put something else inside of this so that it doesn't look as fall. So I'll change the whole look up and it won't look as though it's a fall collection. So this is how it would look in the fall. And so during the winter, I'll add some other details to show you guys how I'm going to do it for the winter. Thank you guys for watching.